everybody, this is Steven just continuing on with this WordPress tutorial. If I remember correctly, this is number 9. So I've been thinking, I think I'm going to just finish up the basic theme, and that's going to be the end of this tutorial. It seems to be running on just a little bit too long, and it's probably boring for a lot of you guys. So I'm thinking I'm just going to get the basic theme up, and then maybe have some update videos where we can add some cool features like that image slider that I talked about on the header and different color backgrounds and all that kind of stuff. I'm thinking about just separating that into a different tutorial some other time later down the road. So if you guys can, let me know in the comments below what you want me to do. If I should just continue with this, get it 100% finished, or if I should take a break after I finish the complete theme, or the basic theme. Alright, so let's just jump right in. Today we are going to be fixing up some pages. And the front page is just about done, but if you notice when you click on pages or on one of the posts, it looks pretty bad. And the reason for that is because WordPress separates those pages into separate files. So the first one is archive, and then the second one is pages, and the third is single. Archives is when you click on a category, it'll show all of the same posts for that one category. That's pretty much the archive. Page is, if I remember correctly, is when you click on the post, and single, or maybe single is when you click on the post, and page is one of the normal pages. That seems to make sense. Okay, so anyhow, as you can see that this is missing quite a bit of code. We need to add our content div, I think, and also, I'm not sure. We'll find out. Alright, so we got header. Let's start with page, the normal page. So we have this header, and let's look at this. I believe, let's try adding content here. Let's just wrap everything in this and see what happens. This is for page, so you want to remember that. Let's see what happens here. When we click on a page. Okay, so you can see that turned out pretty nice. It shrunk the text to the correct size, and the sidebar comes up to the top. This about, it would probably be nice to have this about, well, let's see, what do we have for the home page? I'd like to make it this blue color. And let's see what we have for styles for that. H2. I don't know why that's not working. Let's try this. If this doesn't work, we'll mess with it later. Okay, it's not working. Alright, so let's go to these pages for this. This is for the single. So let's come up to single, and then I think it should go right here. Oops, wrong thing. Just to make sure we have this correct, let's just copy it again for content. And then come all the way down to footer, and if you notice something, let's see if you think of it. What's it missing? Something right here, the sidebar. So let's copy this sidebar here, save it, upload it, and let's see what that looks like. Very good, very good. Okay, so these admin sections and all that, that's just the comments that are there. So we're not going to worry about that right now. We'll get to that in a little bit. So let's leave that single page open. Let's go over to archive. And archive has the sidebar, so we just need to copy this content div. And we will put it right here. And then right here. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Archive.php. Doesn't work. Alright, so I don't have a category up, so we're just going to have to take my word for it that worked. Alright, one more thing is the search page. I forgot about this one. For the search results, that's on a separate page as well. So you're going to want to do the same thing here. Upload that, and we can't check that one either because I don't have a search bar on the page at the moment. Okay, so let's go back to the single and let's try to figure out how to separate these comments into separate boxes, I'm guessing. Or just starting off in separate boxes. So we just need to read this a little bit. We look at, it says the page title. So we have comments here. I don't know. This is commented because it's a little, let's try just going like this. And I should have looked into this a little bit. Let's try, let's just do comment box. Let's just make a new class for comment box. And let's see. Wow. I'm not sure what's it doing. Let's right click here and see if it's putting the posts into its own thing. So we OL comment is alt or class is alt. So let's just try this. Let's undo what I did. Let's delete that, and let's just quickly throw in something here. A dot alt, and we will go border 1 pixel solid yellow, just something bright so we can see. Let's see what that does real quick. Alright, so it's grabbing every other one, so it's alternating comments. So this is so you can have different classes for every other comment. Like if you wanted every other comment to have a border and whatever, you can figure that out. And then let's see, ID is, that's weird. I don't even know if we're on the right page. Let's see if we can find alt here. Let's try comments. This might be the correct thing. Alt. Okay, so alt is over here, so it's got to be on this page, I'm guessing. It's a little confusing. So let's try this. Div ID equals alt, or class equals alt, and then at the bottom here, let's try it right here. Okay, very good. That surrounded all of the comments. Alright, so let's change this from alt. Where did we put that up? Right here. We're going to name this to comments. Comment all. Alright, so you can save and upload that. Let's go to the styles, and we're going to go comment all, and we're going to margin, and we want the top to be, let's say, 25 pixels, and then 0, 0, 0, and we'll not give it a background color at all. And for the alternate, let's try giving a background color of, let's just CCC for now. We'll work in Photoshop and try to figure out a nice color for that later on. So refresh. Okay. So now we are going to, I'm going to stop it here because I'm running out of time. Figuring out the comments was taking a little bit too long. And if you guys remember, try to leave in the comments below if I should just get the basic theme up and running and then stop there, or if I should do all the bells and whistles and all that junk. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.